Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your computer class. In this class, we are starting a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Who Tells Me What to Do? Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the very important aspect and component of our computer system. Okay, so it is hardware and software. Okay, so here we will be discussing about software, but I'm giving you a precise idea about what is hardware. Okay, so hardware are those components of the computer which we can see and touch. Okay, like you can touch your desktop, you can touch your CPU, your UPS. These are hardware, while the components which we cannot touch and see are called software, which are embedded inside the computer system. Okay, so in this chapter we will be discussing about software. Okay, so what is software, types of software, and various application software. All right, so can you imagine your television without any transmission, just a box with a screen? So if you have your television and it does not have any transmission, okay, then what it will be? It will be a box, it will not be your TV. All right, it will have no use of it. So similarly, a computer without a software is similar to that. It will also be a box, it won't have any use. All right, software is instruction that tells computer hardware what to do. So software tells the hardware what to do. All right, we know that computer is an electronic machine that works with users instructions. So computer works on user's instruction. Right instructions given in a right order solve a particular problem. So the right instructions which are given in a right manner, these are able to solve our problems. An ordered set of instruction is called a program. So the set of instructions which we give to the computer is called program. Okay, and the program is stored in the computer which we cannot see or touch, but is made to solve the user's problem. Okay, so what is a program? A program is is stored inside the computer, okay, which we cannot see and we cannot touch even, and these help us to solve our problems. All right, the program or set of instruction is called software. So the set of instructions are called software, and the set of okay, an ordered set of instruction is called program. All right, so wait a second. All right, so it is just like the songs or movies recorded on a CD or like DVD player. Okay, so this is quite similar. Okay, if you have CD, it is hardware, and the program inside it, you cannot see it, you cannot feel it, you cannot touch it, but the songs, movies inside it are the software. All right, so again, if you don't have any movie or song inside your CD, then again it is of no use. All right, so here it is explained there, this. All right, so think and answer: is it possible to see program once stored in a computer? So we cannot see a program which is stored inside a computer. All right, so top types of software: there are two particular types of software, which are system software and application software. So system software makes the hardware and software work. Okay, so system software is the mediator between hardware and software. Okay, it uh, it makes the soft system of the whole computer work. Okay, example: operating system. Operating system software is the software which gets loaded to the computer as soon as it is switched on. So whenever you switch on your computer or laptop, then this Windows sign appears. Okay, so this is an example of operating system. So the first time when you open your computer, then the operating system is loaded inside it, and then only the whole working is done. Okay, then only we are able to see our computer, then we are able to do our functionings. Okay, all right, so the operating system is very much useful. If we don't have operating system in our computer, then it is of no use. Okay, so सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जो है ये हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर को जोड़ते हैं. All right, so operating system are categorized as Operating system are further categorized into two parts, which are GUI and CUI. Okay, what is GUI? GUI is graphical user interface. Okay, so when we interact, okay, using the graphics, what are graphics? Graphics are the small pictures, icons. All right, so when we interact or when we do our functioning in the computer using the graphics or pictures, that is called GUI. Okay, which means everything in the operating system is represented graphically as an icon. Okay, it is represented in the form of picture, while CUI means character user interface. Okay, here in which for every instruction a command has to be given typed. Okay, so for every instruction there is no picture in this. Okay, there is no image. It is just based on the set of instructions which are given in the form of command. All right, so add to your knowledge, computer only understands the language of zeros and ones. So the language 0 and 1, what it is called? It is called binary digit. Okay, so computer only understands this language. Operating system helps the software to understand users instruction. Okay, so operating system helps the computer to understand users instruction. Okay, so application software are the customized software for particular kind of work. Okay, so these application softwares vary from people to people. Okay, because they are dependent on what kind of work you would like. Okay, so if you want to play games, it could be different for you. If you want to do your typing, okay, it is different for that. So but these software can work only if the system software is present at the computer. So application software is dependent on the system software. Why? Because if there will be a system software, then only application software can work. All right, different types of application software perform different jobs for the users. Like very common application software are, because so these are the application software, these are very common kind of application software which everyone uses. Okay, so first one is Microsoft Word. Okay, where documents are made. Microsoft Excel, where spreadsheets are made. Microsoft PowerPoint, where presentations are made. Outlook Express, it helps us to send and receive emails. Microsoft Paint, it helps us to paint and save the file. Okay, so here you can see think and answer. What kind of software is Windows 7? Okay, so Windows 7 is a system software. Okay, so let's summarize. A set of programs in the computer is called a software. So the set of programs is called software and set of instructions is called program. Okay, so you can see that if we give the instructions, that is program, and if we there is a set of program, it is called software. Operating system software governs all the hardware and software components of the computer. So operating system software, it is it governs the hardware and software components together. All right, Windows 7 is an operating system software. Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. are application software. Okay, so that's all for this class. Thank you and have a nice day.